Our house used to have some rooms that were too hot.
It's hot in here.
And others that were too cold.
I'm cold.
But I found a way to make our house more comfortable and reduce our energy bills. Hot and cold rooms are caused by conditioned air not reaching its intended location due to leaky ducts. The average home loses 25 to 40% of heated and cooled air through leaks in the air ducts. The Aeroseal process seals those leaks so the air can flow directly to your living spaces, reducing hot and cold spots while also controlling humidity. It's a simple process that uses your existing ductwork. Aeroseal is the most effective, affordable, and simple solution for sealing ducts. You will see many benefits, including eliminating hot and cold spots, balancing temperatures throughout the house, proper humidity control, along with cleaner air and energy savings of up to 30%. Seal in comfort with Aeroseal.